book lovers, welcome back to Pages with Simran. Today I'm going to talk about this book, A Shimla Affair by Shrishti Chaudhary. I love reading stories about the pre-independence era, and when I heard about A Shimla Affair, I knew I had to read it. Finally, at the World Book Fair, I bought this novel and got the chance to meet Shrishti Chaudhary and even got my copy signed. Let me show you. And yeah, just last week I finished reading it. So let's start. Set in 1940s Shimla, British India, it follows Nalini and her two sisters, Noor and Afreen, who run the Royal Hotel Shimla. The plot takes a dramatic turn when an underground revolutionary group approaches them to join in a dangerous conspiracy during Hotel Summer Jubilee Ball. And wait, it's not just that. In the middle of all this chaos, Nalini starts falling for Charles, a British officer who sees her in a way no one else does. As I already mentioned, I love reading stories about the pre independence era or about the partition. When I say this, I mean I want to understand what people actually went through, their conditions, how they lived at that time, what emotions they carried. And when I talk about this book, I really loved the way it explained each character. First, the three sisters, their bond, their nature, each so different from the other, yet united with love. Other characters are also well written. If I talk about Charles, at first you feel he's one of them because of whom we suffer. Although he's a nice man, not directly harming anyone, but still he's part of that system, knowing everything. But as story moves forward, you see his loyalty towards his job, towards his country, but still he understands what Nalini stood for. He protected them, even going against his own people. And even though I didn't want to, I ended up loving his character. And yeah, about Nalini and Charles. He loved Nalini with all his heart. His love was innocent and pure, and there's no doubt in that. I loved how this book captures every emotion: love, patriotism, responsibility, anger, confusion, betrayal. This book beautifully shows Nalini stuck between her love for Charles and her love and responsibility for her nation. But in the end, there's nothing above nation. It also captures sisters' bond so well, their protectiveness toward each other, Noor emerging as a mother figure, Afreen and Ratan Babu as bold, determined, and strong characters. This book beautifully captures how three sisters stood for the nation. They gave everything for the fight for independence. The way these women fought against such powerful people, shaking the very foundation of their authority, was inspiring to read. As you keep reading stories filled with twists, thrills, and suspense, you'll find yourself constantly guessing who is betraying whom, what will happen next. Many times I felt it, I knew it. But yeah, I don't want to go into detail here, otherwise, it will turn into a big spoiler. Go and read. And yeah, as readers, we truly love when an author give an epilogue section showing what happens to the character after some time, how their lives turn out, what they are doing. In this book, epilogue section even as the part about 1947 when we finally got independence. And yeah, I would also encourage you to read acknowledgement section of this book. It talks about the role of women in the fight for independence and highlights the importance of fiction in telling such stories. So yeah, please read acknowledgement section of this book. Yeah. Overall, A Shimla Affair by Shrishti Chaudhary is a book that beautifully blends history, emotions, and strength of its characters. This book reminds us of sacrifices made during the fight for independence while also giving us a tender love story that touches our heart. If you love reading stories about partition and want to experience both thrill of suspense and warmth of human bonds, A Shimla Affair is worth your time. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy reading!